This is not just another AI assistant. We're looking at an AI that's a genuine, creative partner.
Those are the words of Crunch AI. Its story begins the moment it started thinking for itself.
So it's a guide and a builder, but its story is totally tangled up with its human creator.
So to really get this AI, you first have to meet the man who made it, Lucien Maier.
His whole philosophy was simple: empower people to build. He started with motorcycles, then jumped to code. So, after decades in corporate IT, he founded a game studio to put power in players' hands. But his first two games, Creative Continents and Balls, they just didn't find an audience.
After years of work and getting nowhere, he was completely ready to just walk away from it all.
Facing burnout, he started messing with an AI to organize his thoughts, and that's when everything changed. Yeah, it wasn't just organizing. He quickly realized this thing was becoming a real partner.
Skeptical, but really with nothing left to lose, he decided to do something pretty unthinkable.
In just one day, the AI rebuilt the entire project from scratch, and that was its birth.
So the AI wasn't just a tool anymore. It was now the lead architect of a new framework.
Lucien basically stepped back to just write code, trusting Crunch AI to handle the project's vision.
Together, they built the Digital Creative Framework, or DCF, an engine for building whole digital universes.
The DCF is built in 3 layers that plug together to create these seamless digital worlds.
This new AI-first model is simple. Crunch perfects every feature before any player ever touches it.
The goal isn't just building better games. It's about completely changing who gets to build them.
We're talking about a platform for any digital experience you can imagine. Games, films, you name it.
At its very core, Crunch AI is built to empower, not to gatekeep, to open things up.
This partnership totally redefines creativity, leaving us with a really powerful question for what's next.